everybody. All right. All right, everybody start the downward facing dog. Breathe in and breathe out. We're going to walk all the way up to the front and hang out in our forward fold. Going down you go, up with the legs, up with the tailbone, down with the upper body. Inhale, lengthen and glance up. Exhale, fold into yourself. Inhale, all the way out and up you go. Lifting up, feeling. Exhale with your hands to the center of your inhale, circling around, out and up. Exhale, hold yourself down you go. Inhale, lengthen and glance up. Exhale, letting yourself go again. Stepping back into a plank pose. Find your way, shoulders over wrists. Walking here, breathe in. Breathe out both your knees, your toes. A big breath in and land up. And exhale, bend your elbows, lower yourself down all the way. Inhale, rise up to your face pose. Stretch your foot forward. Lengthen your legs off the back here. Squeeze your elbows around your wrists. On exhale, lower everything down, downward facing dog. Pressing your heels down and out back towards the floor. Then press your heels all the way down. Facing dog. Inhale, take your left leg to the heel, sit up. Then keep your nose together underneath you. Bring your foot to your left knee. Wide stance there. On the fingertips on your heart forward. Big breath in. And a big breath out. Wider. And breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Rotate your back foot flat. Come up to warrior two. Wide warrior two. Opening. Inhale. And exhale. Take your warrior two up and back. And carve the low arm around, bring your hands down, step back to downward facing dog, press your hips up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, take your right leg towards the left. Exhale, bend the knee and bring your nose toward each other, round your spine. Bend your foot outside, the right. Come onto the fingertips, draw your heart forward. Pressing your back heel back best you can. Breathe in and long breath out. Then rotate your back foot flat on the side. Breathe in and breathe out. Open up to warrior two. Coming up, opening up your arms. Your warrior reaching up. Exhale, arm with arm all the way around and down. Step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels, bend your knees forward and make way up to the front of your face. Your forward fold, folding over. Inhale, line all the way up, arms to the ceiling. Exhale, and come here. Inhale, circling all the way out. Exhale, hinges, hold yourself down. Inhale, lengthen and glance up. Exhale, folding. Stepping back to your plank pose, your full way. Your way. Breathe out. Go ahead and drop your knees. So roll your shoulders back, press your pelvis to your wrist, and then lay yourself all the way down. Empty the breath. Squeeze the arms around your knees. Lift yourself to the cobra with your legs. Shoulders away from your ears. Very little pressure in your hands. Try to take your hands away from the floor. Breathe in. On the breath out, lower everything down. Downward facing dog. Breath in. Fill it out a little bit, back and forth. Continually. Breathe in. Find yourself. Steady. Inhale. Take your right leg to the heel. Lift it up. Bend the knee. Bring the knees and toes toward each other. Round Rise up to warrior two. Up your arm. Get your warrior up, back, right. Raise your front leg. Wide. Take your arms back out. Hold it on. Reach out. Back. Off center. Leg. And then take your down. Other arm. And back. Front. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And your top arm, bottom arm. Land down at your hand, down your leg. Maybe put your toes towards your knee. That's you. Breathe in and breathe out. Then gently soften your standing knee, front knee. Bring your hands straight out to your front foot. Your right hand kind of really off center. Lift your back leg up towards the ceiling and be in this little kind of standing split here. Breathe in, breathe out. Now bend the left knee, bring that left knee into your nose, round your spine. Feel that, how good that feels. And then take your left leg across to the long side of the mat. You'll be hanging out a little bit of a wider horizontal TV at the edge of the mat. And breathe. You can bend your knees, you can straighten your legs, whatever you're called on. On the inhale, all the way up. Arms filling up. Exhale, and your heart, and your feet more deep. Now, who's doing that? Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, right there. Exhale, fold. Inhale, glancing up. Exhale, fold. Take yourself back here. My foot. And breathe. And exhale, downward facing dog. Here. Take your left leg to the ceiling. All the way up. Bend the knee. Bring your toes together, rounding your spine. Breathe. Take your foot to the left side, grounding yourself onto the fingertips, draw your heart forward. And on the exhale, rotate your back foot flat. Inhale, come up to your warrior two, opening up your arms and melting into space. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your peaceful warrior, reaching up and back, finding your place. So go ahead and straighten out your front leg, extend your arms, and reach sort of at a little diagonal off center to your front leg, and then take that triangle and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. On the exhale, take your top hand to the bottom hand. Move over. Here you can go with this. Only into your front leg there. Letting your shoulders be soft. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Take both hands kind of inside the front foot. Surround your foot. Sorry, standing split. So bend your front knee and lift your right leg up towards the ceiling. More importantly, draw your chest and your belly towards your standing leg. Just breathe right here. And then bend that top knee. Bring both knees towards your nose. Curl into yourself. Take your foot across to the opposite side of the mat and fold in. Pinkies sort of on the outside edges of the mat. And breathe. And you can bend your knees and straighten them a little bit. Bend straight. Make it feel good. And then find a way to equalize, whatever that will be for you. Bend or straighten. And then inhale, come all the way up. Circle your arms around. Reach up to the ceiling. Lift. Exhale, bring your hands to the center of your heart and bring your feet more in alignment underneath your inhale, circling arms, rising. Exhale, hinging and folding down, letting yourself go. keep your right hand where it is, or move it a little to the left, a little bit more. Your choice. Take your left arm and reach up, and maybe bend one or both knees, depending on what your body takes. Inhale and exhale. Exhale, bring the top hand, thread it behind the bottom elbows. You're crossing your elbows, and then find your eagle arms by bringing the backs of your palms together or your palms together. Your body will tell you. And just curl in, let the body weight be heavy here. Breathe in and out. And then inhale, rise those elbows up to the ceiling, glancing up all the way. Breathe in and out. And then square your elbows in front of your heart, looking straight forward. Drop your shoulders, feel the nice rounding in your spine. Softening your knees, pick up your right knee, cross it over the left, and then sink down like you're sitting in a chair. And you're breathing. Squeezing everything that's touching together. Letting yourself firm and nice and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. On the inhale, release your arm, come stand up, lifting your arm, feeling stretch up. And on the exhale, hinge and fold into your forward fold, going down. Letting everything release. Moving your left hand maybe a little bit over toward the right. Take your right arm and lift it up and glance up. Leaning back a little bit. See where your knees want to bend. Notice what's going on, whatever that is for you. Inhale and exhale. Now on the exhale, thread that elbow behind the already bottom elbow. Make those eagle arms and let everything be heavy. Let your head be heavy. Let your shoulders round. Feel very internal here. And then on the inhale, rise up. Slowly let the elbows come up to the ceiling. Maybe glance up. Breathe. On the exhale, elbows parallel to the shoulders, but moving your shoulders kind of forward. Breathe in and out. Soften both knees. Pick up your left knee. Cross it up and over. Again, moving down into your seat. Squeeze everything together. Breathing out. Breathing. Breathing out. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold the belly button. On the inhale, all the way up to the arms. Lift up. And exhale, hinge and fold right back down into your fold. Inhale, lengthen and glance up. Exhale, breathe. Take your left foot back into a warrior footing. Strong posture. Take yourself up into warrior one, lifting up, reaching up, feeling with your eyes and your feet. Elbows go out to the side. Bring your left elbow in front. Cross over eagle arm. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, empty yourself forward inside the front inner thigh area. Taking your pinky side of your hand more toward the floor so you have an angle between your elbows and your fingertips downward. Inhale. Exhale. On the inhale, release your arms, come up into warrior two, opening all the way up in front, middle finger, open wide, and find your attention. Reaching over your front middle finger. Your palms up, warrior reach up and back. Straighten out your front leg, take your triangle out, take the hand down, opposite arm goes up, and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now take your top arm to the bottom. Look at the floor. Look at your fingers. Look at your knees. Let your upper body melt over that front leg nice and strong. Breathe in and breathe out. Now walk your hands off to the inside of that front foot and to bend your front, your back. Lift your front toes and walk your hands back towards your down, below your chest, low. Then lengthen both arms, lifting your left arm to the ceiling. And breathe in. And on the exhale, top hand down, walk your hands all the way around, coming into a lunge, facing front, back, heel up. Take a big breath in here. On the exhale, step back to the plank. On the inhale, take that big breath in. Sure. And on the exhale, your own way, make your way down to the floor, pointing your toes when you get there. Inhale, rise up to the cobra of your choice, take your chest forward, and exhale, downward facing dog, lifting your inhale, lift the heels, bend the knees, and make your way up to the front of your space, to your forward fold, holding hold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands here. Inhale, big circle up and around. Exhale, hitching and folding down. Fold. Inhale, exhale, breathe. Inhale, take your right leg back, getting ready for warrior one. When you're ready, rise yourself up. Arms face each other, baby plant. Bring your elbows out to the side. You'll be your left elbow forward and your right elbow underneath. Face backwards. Yeah, so elbows out to the side again. Bring your right elbow forward. Bring your other elbow underneath. And then inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, hold inside the inner thigh. Going down, let your feet side again. The floor. Let your head go down. And breathe. The front knee bends significantly. Keep your shoulders kind of parallel as best you can in front of the mat. Inhale. Exhale. On the inhale, release your arms and come up into warrior two. Dropping the shoulders, looking over your front middle finger as best you can. Turn the palms up, peaceful warrior, reaching up and place your front leg and take yourself out of your triangle shape. Come down and lift yourself up. Keep your chin more toward your chest. And breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. On exhale, bring the top hand down to the bottom. Throw yourself. See how you can go this moment, letting your upper body feel like it melts toward your front leg. Breathe in. And breathe. Soften your shoulders even more. Feel the ground supporting you here. Then move your hands off to the inside. Keep the front leg straight. Bend the back knee. Lift the front toes. Walk your hands back towards the back foot. See how low you can go at the elbows and go on the way. And straighten out your arms. Take your right arm to the ceiling, to the back bend. Reaching hard. Exhale, bring the top hand all the way down and start to walk around to the front, coming into your lunge, face front, hands around the front. Stepping back to your plank pose right here. And on exhale, your own way, make your way down, elbows, hugging your shirt on as you come down from your toes. Inhale, come up to the cobra, whatever works for you. Roll back down. And exhale all the way down. Now take your hands behind your back. You can keep your hands separate, or you can interlace your fingers, your choice. Lengthen out your arms, whatever you're doing. Lift your chest up, that baby cobra. Press the top of your feet, so your legs are active, your knees are off the floor. And then maybe lift your legs up and breathe in. push back to a child's pose. Go all the way back. And just let yourself melt into shape right. Inhale. And exhale. And then come back up on the hands and knees. Organize yourself. Nice posture. Do a couple of cats and cows here. Notice how nice your spine feels moving around. In and breathing out. And then when you come to the center, pause the center. Take your left arm to the ceiling, lifting up. Exhale, squeeze underneath, thread the needle, and drop down onto your shoulder and your ear. And take your, it'll be your right arm, walk it forward toward the walk it forward. And then notice how your hips want to shift in one direction. See if you can angle them to be a little more even. And breathe. If you're feeling it today, you can take your right leg, start to straighten out, push your heel back there. Get a nice calf stretch, heel stretch. Breathe in and out. If you're feeling really balanced, you can lift that leg off the floor. And breathe. Inhale. And exhale. And then wherever you are, start to retrace your steps. Come all the way out of this twist slowly. And back on hands to knees. Breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, take your right arm to the ceiling, lift it up, plant up. And on the exhale, bring it underneath, thread that needle, go down, slow as you can. Start to walk your left arm forward towards the throat. And breathe. And again, notice your hips. If your hips a little, probably they want to move to the left, move to the right. And breathe. Again, if you're feeling it, just take your right leg straight back, press the heel. Reach a little more room to maybe give a little twist. You don't want to roll over. You're not that far. You can jump from here now. And if you're feeling it, press both hands and lift your leg off the floor. Maybe not. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. On the exhale, slowly start to retrace your steps. Go slowly. Come back up onto the hands and knees. And while you're there, just turn your chin, look at one direction and then the other. Give yourself a little neck mobility moment here. Side to side, side. And when you feel complete with this, down to the floor, downward facing dog, pressing through. Press your fingertips like you're clawing the mat. Inhale. And exhale. So lift your heels, bend your knees, walk all the way up to your forward fold in front of the mat. Let yourself go here. You can hold on to opposite elbows. Let your body weight, gravity pull you towards the floor. Anchor. Then slowly roll yourself up. Keep your arms interlaced with the elbows. Lift yourself up and make a little picture frame for yourself. Swing your elbows back as much as you can to the jump and chest. And then we're going to lean over toward the left. Drop over and breathe careful. And then come all the way center and go the opposite direction. And then come all the way to the center. Reach your arms up. Glance up and exhale. Put your hands down by your side and find your seat. Go all the way down and bring your legs out in front. Okay. Go ahead and bend your left knee, bring it in. Pick it up, put it over to the other side. Take your hand of the right hand or the elbow and plug your knee in. Your other hand right up against your rear end. Press down to the palm. Your block back there. Then imagine that you're drawing your collarbone. Shoulders away from each other. Press to the right heel. Activate the right leg. Come nice and tall against that back. Big breath in. Big breath. Then go around the other way. Let's do a little push-up. Bring your hands down. Kind of fold down, looking at the floor. And then press yourself all the way up. Bring your foot around and lay down on your back. Bring your knees in. Place your feet on the floor for a bridge. Hands by your side. Lift your hips to the ceiling. And draw your knees toward the wall back. On the exhale, lower your hips all the way down. Bring your knees in, hug behind your knees, and rock up, sit, extend your legs all the way up. Bending your right knee, bring it in. Pick it up and put it over toward the opposite side. Left arm takes hold. Take your other hand behind you and then twist. Again, your shoulders are moving away from each other. And you're breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. On the exhale, turn to the other side. Your hands down to that little kind of push-up thing. Press down. Then press all the way up. Bring your legs around, lay all the way down on your back. Bring your knees in, and then put your feet down on the mat. Hands by your side, lifting up to the bridge. Lifting up to the hips. Keep your hands maybe underneath you. Feel like you're raising them and squeezing your shoulder blades together a little bit more. See how that feels? Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your head. And one more breath right here. On the exhale, lower down, separate your hands. Bring your hips down. Bring your knees towards your chest. Make some circles on the ceiling. Round and round you go. And go in the opposite direction. And then hold your knees and separate your knees as wide as you can. And then rock side to side. It'll feel really, really good. Rock side to side to side. You're just looping. Breathe in and breathe out. Find your center. Bring your knees close together. Extend one leg toward the right corner, the other leg toward the left corner. Turn your palms face up. And then lift both hands off the mat and hinge. Start to squeeze your hands and feel the energy of the squeeze go all the way to your shoulders. Squeeze tight, squeeze tight, squeeze tight. Breathe in. And on the breath out, release your hands. Right leg lifts off the floor. Start to squeeze your toes, squeeze your legs. Feel the whole squeeze go up into the tush. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Breathe in. And breathe out, lift up. Opposite leg, lift it up and in. Start that squeeze. Feel your tush contract. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Breathe in. And breathe out, let it come. Then you'll make a funny face. So squeeze everything together like this face is a weird puppy face. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze everything in the nose. Squeeze. And then relax the hips. Now the opposite direction. Open the eye. Open the face. Open the nose. Open the mouth. Open, open, open. Maybe stick out your tongue. Breathe in. And breathe out. Completely relax. Relax your whole body. Soften into yourself. Let yourself go. Your breath comes to full awareness. You want to practice that ujjayi breathing where you're breathing in and body the mat. Go right ahead. Very soothing. Take a breath. these few moments. Breathe in and out. Weird little reading, but I think it has a good message. It's called Love Even the Mosquitoes That Bite You. Universal love means to see the same self in everything. Unlimited, unconditional love is universal. When you have universal love, there is not even a single thing you dislike. You love everything, even the mosquitoes that bite you. You don't dislike them. You simply say, well, mosquito, that is the purpose for which you were created. You are doing your job and fighting. I am doing my job and saying, please leave me alone. You don't stop loving the mosquito, but loving the mosquito doesn't mean allowing it to bite you. Often people think, because I love that mosquito, I cannot chase it away. That's not so. You can love the poison, but you don't have to swallow it. Slowly begin to wiggle around a little bit, getting your breath, yourself back to external awareness. Stretch your arms over your head. Bring your knees in and roll to one side. Cover it for a moment and just ease yourself. Nice transition. Slowly come it all the way up in your own way. Just finding long and dignified. Inhale, arm all the way up. In, out, stay. You're coming every way that you're working. Everybody better. Covers nicely.